This is not a story about one person. It is a story about a system so powerful it does not need chains to control people. Throughout history, control was rarely loud. It was quiet, organized, normalized. Large institutions were built to feel overwhelming, not by accident, but to remind individuals how small they were in comparison to authority. Every movement was planned, every path was decided, not randomly, but by design. Corridors, schedules, and routines were not just practical tools. They were psychological weapons, designed to turn repetition into obedience. Fear did not always appear as violence. Often, it lived silently behind the eyes. Waiting became a form of control, waiting for permission, waiting for instructions, waiting for survival. Surveillance did not need to be constant. People only needed to believe they were always being watched. Silence was not accidental, it was enforced, and silence made systems stronger. Slowly, identity began to disappear. People stopped defining themselves and allowed the system to do it for them. Order replaced individuality, rules replaced choice, efficiency replaced humanity. From above, humans looked simple. Numbers, movements, patterns. Separation was deliberate. Divide people enough, and unity disappears. Resistance did not always end in violence. Most of the time, it ended in exhaustion. Repetition became routine. Routine became acceptance. At night, control felt heavier, because isolation weakens the mind faster than force. Hope still existed, but hope was dangerous, because hope made people think. Millions passed through systems like these. Many survived, but none were unchanged. These systems were not mistakes. They were successful. That is why they spread. Once inside the system, leaving was no longer a decision. Emotion became inefficient. Obedience became survival. From above, everything looked perfect, orderly, predictable, controlled. Systems do not need cruelty to work. They only need people to stop questioning